Good morning, friends and folks. Today I have these two beautiful amethyst points that I want to wrap, and I'm thinking I'll do one in copper and one in silver, so for this week's video we'll be working with the copper piece. The first thing I'm going to do is pretty simple, and that is actually just decide which side I want to be the front or the back. With multifaceted pieces like this, I try to make it wearable from any angle, but usually I like to fixate on one side to make the quote-unquote back, and that's usually going to be the flattest side of the stone that will lie most naturally against someone's chest. And from there, I'm just going to get to wrapping. Wrapping these points is very much so a new experience for me, but I'm pretty stoked with how this piece turned out. I'll stick it up on Etsy so you can see it in closer detail, but come back next week and we'll be wrapping that second point in silver. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and of course, please leave me any questions or comments down below. Until next time, take care and be well!